Unemployment insurance provides temporary financial support if you lose your job through no fault of your own. Let's look at how it works. To qualify, you must be unemployed, able and available for work, and actively searching for a new job each week. While rules differ by state, most programs offer support for up to 26 weeks while you search for new employment. Eligibility hinges on your work history and the nature of your job separation. You must also remain ready to return to the workforce. Receiving severance pay from a former employer might delay your state benefit payments, so check your local guidelines carefully. After filing, there is often a waiting week and a processing period before your first payment is issued to your account. Always document your job search efforts. States often perform random audits to ensure compliance with weekly requirements. Check your state's official Labor Department website for specific rules. Understanding these basics helps you navigate transitions more effectively.